Hello, this unboxing video is for the ASUS Prime Z490-P motherboard. Quick look at the specs here. Intel LGA 1200, it's got the Z490 chipset, PCI 3, etc, etc, M.2 support. So let's open her up and see what you get with it. ASUS have stopped sealing their boxes, but not to worry. That's the board itself, which we'll look at in a minute. Get all the bits and bobs out. Manual. Only in English this time. Driver's disc. Safety information. Motherboard layout chart, which is kind of useful. I/O shield, which is just a vanilla aluminium one, not printed. 2 sets of M.2 mounts. That's everything there. A couple of SATA. One is right angled. Look at the board. There we go. Very nice. So it's the Prime series. On the side there you've got DisplayPort and HDMI for integrated graphics support. 1, 2 PCI Express 8 and 16 slots. Quite a few one-time slots. It's got no, I don't think there's any, oh yes, there is LEDs running down that edge there. Sort of like the audio light up bit, but I don't think it's got any other ones. So yeah, so there's the motherboard itself. I/O shield, a couple of SATA cables, motherboard layout guide, which is kind of useful. Safety information guide. 2 M.2 screw sets, driver's DVD, and of course the motherboard. Does the motherboard have the BIOS information in it? No, it doesn't. They're now doing it so that the BIOS isn't included in the manual, so you have to download the BIOS as a PDF, which isn't a problem. But obviously that saves quite a substantial amount of printing, look, if you see, 'cause it's a lot thinner than they normally are. So yeah, any questions about that, stick them in the comments. Any comments, stick them in the comments. Liking and subscribing is always appreciated. And as always, thanks for watching.